Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hold on. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to do a little cleaning. As you can see, I'm a little crafty, so obviously it has to be clean day, so I'm going to do a little cleaning, and then y'all can watch me do that. I'm just going to clean my room up, so I'll just do a time lapse of me cleaning my room, and then we'll get back to the video, like the normal schedule of the video. So yeah, talk to you guys later. So guys, everyone just built himself, well, built his CPU. He must have him building computer, but what he did was put all the things in it. You never make it from scratch. He just never move a chair. He applied everything into the CPU. I haven't said the word CPU in a while, you know. But according to him, he wanted his computer. Well, yeah, his computer. I was the laptop. He wants his computer, so he built himself. Well, he built himself one. So he bought. So what he did was he bought the parts and he added it into the thing. I don't know the proper names for it. So he's on the phone with one of his friends.
Settings to overclock the XMP2 profile.
It is Claude.
Oh, see, yes, he got the 3000.
It's on the phone with Claude. Which they both did IT at NCU together. So this is like fun to them, and I'm here like, okay then.
Save configuration, changes and exit setup.
Because
alright, moments of truth. This was around at 3000 megahertz now. Yeah, go back in and check it out. I'd say, yeah, it's at 3000. Okay, cool. Alright, so make temperature, I think I'm 49. That's not good.
I don't know one thing that they're trying to say right now, but I'm just allowing you guys to see.
No blind this?
No, I'm black IT.
Who there? Alright, at least there now, so, you know. Probably for well, I have an Arctic Silver PS thing still. When I have.
But when you're going to that feature back, when you're going to
Windows.
when you're going to old feature and
OC tweaker. 3000 DDR4.
No, you remember.
Oh, CPU. No, just find it. Find it. Minimum. DRAM, CPU frequency and voltage change. No, it's about auto. It's about auto, so I guess it's OC by itself, based on whatever.
You can set the fan time over hardware, hardware monitor. You can scroll down, you can see the fan.
Fan tuning.
Yeah. But you can see that only against
Oh, yeah. Standard. Oh, I can put it on like OC or whatever, make it run faster. But I can see if you know. I'm not sure about it.
You just when it when it does like pick up the camera, it goes together. When you start with everything, then you can use
yeah, the CPU is hardware monitor.
Alright guys, I think that is it for this conversation. My hands are hurting right now. And I mean, I understand what I say, so I kind of get bored. I don't know if I get bored too. So.
Makeup. You remember the type of makeup you have to use green makeup. I have to do the eyeshadow. I have to do the contour. I have to do the frontal lace wig. Birthday video.
Which one? Everyone's birthday or my birthday?
Should I ask her which one of the video then?
Last year, November.
Oh, my birthday.
Oh, your birthday.
Yeah.
Leave it up to everyone, and you would have shown it.
Of course. I'll show that then. Telling directions, reach out.
Yeah, I know you do it, and then when people start coming in your yard.
Yeah, me tell us the last time.
You see Evan show up bottom with underpants?
The last
Yeah,
time.
left this thing there for your mother see it because I keep telling him to drop his pants and everybody believes that I am the one who allows Evan to have his pants down below his waist, but I am not the one. Evan feel like him is a hot boy, so having pants below his waist, and every time I see him, I tell him dry it up. But no, he doesn't want to dry it up. So y'all going to see that I'm going to tell him to dry it up now, and he won't do it. Drop your pants, Evan.
Yeah, man, saying.
Doing skinny legs. Alright, let's say you left it. Alright, let's say you left your computer.
Yes. And then you can't find me video right there. I'm up on the group. I use my computer. Yes. And then you can't find it. And then so we disconnect. About my back hurt me and we get up to go back.
So this is the next day, so yeah, I know you guys saw me clean yesterday, but today is a brand new day and we're heading to St. Thomas because we're trying to have a surprise birthday party for my aunt. Wait, hold on, let me turn down the foolishness there. Better yet. Yeah, so we're trying to have a surprise birthday party for my aunt, Auntie Sonia. I'm not sure if she knows yet, so we're trying to say a surprise for now until she probably figure it out. Until she probably figure it out. If she don't figure it out by now, I don't think she'll figure it out again. But yeah, the plan is she's assuming that she and mommy going out, but we're all going out. Yes, all of the left family is going out. So I ensure that I did my makeup from now because I'm going home to do her makeup and all of that. So this is why I have my makeup on right now, because I wouldn't have done that. But I think I'm gonna reach home a bit late, and the plan is to at least head out by 7 o'clock. And now it's 2 o'clock, so we're about to pick up her cake at Devon House Bakery and then head over to St. Thomas. Want to say hi?
Hey people.
that is why I don't allow him to say anything.
Yeah.
Because he's just gonna be like, hey people.
Yeah, is it right?
You can't just say yo walk on people or
what was it, people?
yeah, hey, what's up? How y'all doing? Something. You know?
You got no something.
This done one way now.
Single lane.
Guys, look at the road condition now. Look there. You see that? Big pot, big ditch into the road. Look there. I've been showing y'all, but we look like so we're fully there on Riverside now. Like legit, fully there on Riverside. That is the condition of the road right now, and it not, you know, look like it I get no better for no time soon. So yeah. Yep, that is the road condition. It's like everywhere has become single lane at this moment on the Constant Spring stretch. So we're just trying to work with that at the moment, because this road project has been going on from April. So a year soon come, because you know, so when January done, the year done already. So a year soon come and then I'll finish it. I'm gonna say them do one thing for say okay, it's actually a work. I'm gonna say them I do a dig up road, like dig up road, dig everywhere, dig somewhere. Yeah, but anyways, I'm gonna stop complaining now and I'm going to come back. Maybe when I'm at Devon House, I'm not sure where, or after, something like that. You guys will see. I'll pick up where I'll pick up. Okay? Yeah, you want to say bye? Bye guys. Wait, anyways guys, I'm out. So we're by Devon House now. Hey Mr. Brown Man. Who call you Brown Man?
You?
Angel.
Yeah, I don't know.
No, Angel call you Mr. Brown Man. But Brown Man. Yeah, so today is a Saturday and over here kind of look not that busy, but it's okay, I guess. My butt cheek out and all, but hey. Alright guys, so we got the cake. So we're heading to St. Thomas right now. So yes, y'all will see if she was surprised or no. But we have the cake. I think what we're going to do is leave the cake in the car, because if we take it out of the car, she's gonna suspect things. I think I'll just leave the cake in the car, because my thing she's not gonna go in everyone in the car, so that would be good. I need to find out if they got through to Uncle T though. I don't know. Well yeah, so when we reach St. Thomas, we'll come back to y'all, because we make a listen to music now. I'm probably just sleep left everyone. Right baby? As usual. Exactly. I didn't get back to y'all. I reached St. Thomas. I'm here. I'm actually here. And she couldn't wait for me to turn on the video, because she wanted up and back. So you just can't just stand up there, you have to say something. You look good. But that's all she wants to say and do. There, why you out here so barefoot? Come. Where's your slippers? Hello. Hi guys, so the birthday plan is in effect now. We're heading out, and Sonny and Mommy went out already, so we're kind of behind, and I'm going to call Betty and Shane now to find out if they're ready, because we should be ready by now. So I'll talk to you guys when we reach out there. Yeah, everybody. We go down there. 60 and fabulous. Come, my seat. We can't believe y'all, my brother, on to this store. Oh yeah. So what do you do with Rashad and Rashid? Happy birthday. We never get to hear what you want, but that day to my heart, you know, when you're fully tasty. I can't believe you know, catch me this time. Really good. Especially him. So what happened to me? No, I'm going to tell you, me and you. Yes, but you said me and you. So you aren't funny.
You like your surprise? Of course.
So how do you feel about your surprise? You should. Enjoy your day. And I'm glad that you are happy.
Especially to see Carl.
We can have a seat.
We're gonna go something between night and in this.
That's my uncle, guys. Uncle Kurt. I'm glad you like it. We had to do something special for your 60th birthday because when you were 50 we could not have done this. So, because when the chef hit me at 16, so I wouldn't think about doing something like this. So, we said that we'd try to make your 60th special. You're welcome. And to mix it, Chantel, Greg was all into this as well. You weren't at all.
I didn't have a clue about it. Catch me this time, you know, the Bethany was loving people.
Yeah, because she did serve this.
When you just go in the room and I take photographs, you must take the photograph, no R. And then she put up.
So she almost get up. But Shane almost get up too.
But I guess, because Bethany, Rishana didn't have bother me and something like that. If I'm alone, then maybe that makes me catch up more.
Shane almost give it away too when you did do your makeup and she said she had get ready for going. She soon get ready for going and she have to hurry up and something. You never remember that part there, so?
Oh, up and then behave like so. She alone feed fish so. Yeah, enjoy your fish.
Yes.
She's not doing it. She's not even paying about that.
Sure do.
Doing that food. Always behave like you're nicer than everybody else. Knife and fuck. Knife and yo, I literally love my family, guys. Nobody to me like my family. This miserable. Show you are. Never cuss. If you learn. Go on tonight. You're eating all this fish, man? All this fish? Be a corner. Okay, for the girls, them you know, you know?
I'm afraid they want to.
Better than don't know what I mean.
No, I know what it means. Then they tell me.
You
know what Miss B means? Really? You answer the way we call it, sir? You ever said the way we call it, sir? And you hear? Yeah.
I am start call her so. Yeah, him start it.
And it's sticking up.
You probably think our last name from before I PM.
Pretty then on the way.
You not getting a cake if you're not singing now. Marshani? Marshani?
Ready? Everybody sing?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. We know your age now. We know your age now. We know your age now. Happy birthday to you.
Let me get that. Let me get that. Pull it up. 60th fabulous. May the good Lord bless you.
May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you.
Miss me. Love you.
We love you. And we hope you have a great birthday and a great year filled with love and kindness, and you can rely on all of us and all of the above. We love you.
Love you too, guys. Oh my God.
Oh, the nice. I'll put it there so that it's short. See that can't even go down. But we're not telling her to cut the cake yet. So I should exactly. No, she have to put it down there so because the knife short.
Ready?
So we're going to count to 10 because we can't reach 60.
Nine,
Our
eight,
count to
7,
6.
10,
10, 20, 30, 40.
Yes.
Okay.
10,
20, 30, 40, 50, 60.
Some people are not there 16.
Come, my auntie, don't call. My auntie is at. You figure out what kind of cake it is? Yeah, your favorite cake. You see, I remembered.
Give me a munchie.
High five for that.
Munchie. Munchie.
Go for the cake tomorrow? Yeah. But on our favorite cake. And I still on our favorite cake.
Yes, BHQ bet.
What's the name of the food?